We're still under lockdown, and so it's not possible for me to do any teaching. So I thought I'd look at some life drawing exercises. These are demonstration drawings from 2 or 3 minute single line, continuous line drawings. At no point do you take the charcoal off the paper, but even though there's just one line, the function of the line can change as it finds the figure. So sometimes the line might be an outline, for example. Other times it might be saying something about the structure of the body, or maybe a negative space or a shadow. In this drawing there is some, the line takes a kind of a curved zigzag, a concertinary sort of form, as it's saying something about the forearm. And there's also another kind of curving line saying something about the belly. And then that line turns into a straight line, which goes straight down the leg to the foot. But it doesn't look anything like it would look if you took a photograph. But it's saying something about the structure of the body. Sometimes a line will just take the point from one place to another, like from here between the two hands, and that's a legitimate part of the drawing. It's got a meaning. It doesn't say, in that case, it doesn't say how things look, but it says something about the time and that moment of touch and decisions and so on. And that's as much to do with what drawings are as likeness. And all the time you're changing your mind and seeing things differently. And so all those mistakes, all those times you changed your mind about something are there in the drawing. So you've got to accept the whole drawing. And this is probably the main reason why this is quite a good drawing exercise, because it makes us accept the whole drawing. That point of touch of the charcoal is always at the cusp of the next moment. After 2 or 3 minutes, the life story of that line comes to an end, and that's your drawing.